welcome to Simatalk with Aaron. I'm Aaron. On today's episode, we will be talking about the 3 lines that simatec offers. First up is Simalube. Single point auto lubricators to fit any application. Following that, we're going to heat things up with Simatherm. The perfect setup to heat and install bearings. Then we'll jump right into Simatool. The perfect tool to mount or dismount bearings. Thank you for following me through learning about the 3 product lines we have here at simatec. Feel free to contact us and we can help you with any of your applications. Now what? Now that you're stuck with me. 3 product lines here at simatec. Stay tuned for more Simatalk with Aaron in the near future.